Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I'll show you here. This is going to be a wagon. So we're going to show you guys what it looks like and how it works and whatnot. See if we can open this up. There's part of it. More parts. And more parts. Try to put this thing together. Aim you guys down a little bit. Let's see, I do have a flexible mount here. There we are. Okay, let's see what we need to do. Got some wheels. 3. Here's the other one. Funny. 3 are packed in one box, 1 in the other. Then I guess that's going to be the bottom. And this is the wagon. So here's the instructions if y'all need those. Okay, let me see if I can figure this out now. Let's see what we need to do. So which side do we like the steering wheels to be on the front, I think. So that goes in there. This one goes in there. You just kind of clip in. There's a little button here so you can take them out and clip them in. Pretty cool. And the back ones, we will aim this way. Yeah. That's all the parts to install. Let's see how this wagon looks. We'll go this way. Look at that. Nice wagon. And then this is the bottom for it. Look at that. Nice wagon. So this is what it is here. It's spy and tipper. So that can go on there. Cover up that. Same thing on the other side. And that's how it is. And you can pull this up here to wheel it around. Very nice. Gonna say this wagon is nice. Thumbs up.